I have a question for you. I have some questions for you. Hello, sir. I have a quick question for you. Gonna walk around. Are you gonna have a censored toilet in your home? Can you sing the home show jingle? If you were to give us stars 1 to 10, would you guys like to say hi to our camera? Oh, español? No hablo. Show bueno? You look like you have your hands full. It looks like you've shopped, you've had a good time. Can you say a few things to our viewers?
Sure. I've had a great time. Lots of different things to see. But the most important thing is I feel like there's a lot of variety, a lot of great options for people looking for different solutions. I see a trend in solar, so that's pretty cool. And yeah, my partner will be very happy when he sees me out.
I was going to say, is he going to be nervous?
Slightly.
All right, so this is Gary. He is the mastermind behind photography of the home show. What stands out to you with your creative eye, your creative vision, and what you're looking to capture here at the home show?
I mean, one, just all the displays that you guys have there's so many beautiful displays. But I think what stands out the most to me is how much fun everybody is having.
You know, this is a really wholesome show. There's been a lot of kids. You can see we did some painting here with kids. So it's great for families. It's just obviously industry professionals all over.
So I have a question for you guys. Would you like to join us and say hello to the camera?
Sure, absolutely.
All right, so well, first of all, is this your first home show that you have ever attended?
Yes, it is.
Tell us about the experience so far.
It's very cool. You have a lot of things. If you are looking for something new for your house, or if you work with this, it's ideal.
Do you work with this? Are you in the industry, or are you also looking for your home?
We're general contractors.
Very good. And so you're only about halfway through. For what you've already seen, are there any products that have stood out to you that you're most excited about?
Yes, there are a lot of things different and new. So regarding wood, walls, everything, you have a lot of new things. I recommend it, for sure.
So is it safe to say you'll come back to the next home shows?
Absolutely, and hopefully we'll be here offering our service as well.
Oh, all right. Well, then I'm going to have to give you my business card because I'll be the guy that you guys will talk to. So, obviously walking around the show, did you have certain expectations when you came into the show for what you thought it was going to be?
Honestly, I thought it would be smaller than this, but I'm greatly surprised.
No, we're just actually moving in a month, so we just want to get ideas.
Amazing. So did you find any ideas, any favorites?
We did. We took a couple of pictures. We have ideas for the bedroom, the living room. We're going to kind of set up like a little bar area.
Is there anything that you saw that you weren't really thinking about or expecting to see where now you're considering?
Yeah. The pergola, the retractable pergola.
Any favorites for you?
That one, that's what I want. I want the retractable one. Yeah.
So we're going outdoors. We're expanding our living space, having fun, entertaining.
We're in Miami.
We're in South Florida. We have to enjoy the outdoors year round. Show bueno?
Bueno, es de diferentes exhibiciones. Está muy bueno, tiene bastante variedad. Muy buena calidad.
You spend mucho dinero?
So.
Where are you originally from?
I'm from Cuba, but I live in Miami.
Amazing. Well, thank you for being here. And from Mexico, okay. Is there anything that you found here at the show that you are excited about, working with, or a project that you came looking for?
Yes, I searched for the air condition. For example, Ernie Gomez is the HVAC provider.
Absolutely. That's a great system, by the way. It's a high velocity system.
It's incredible. It's incredible.
All right. So question, is this the first home show that you've ever come to?
No, we have at least the older.
This is the first one I go to.
I've never been to one.
We have been here before.
When you came to the home show, first of all, where did you guys come from? What area do you live in?
The Gables. We live in Coral Gables.
Perfect. So when you came to the show, were you expecting or were looking for a certain type of project?
We're doing some remodeling, so yeah, we're looking for specific items.
Interior, exterior?
Interior mainly.
All right. Did you find products that you weren't expecting to see?
Actually, we did.
Anything in particular that really caught your eye?
Oh, wow.
The last one is like a paper that you apply on top of the walls and paint on top of it to cover imperfections, and can make a job a lot easier. Completely different way than we were expecting to go, but I think it will help a lot.
Oh, absolutely. There's so many different properties that the average homeowner would never know that it exists. So talking to the professionals, learning products. But what was your favorite part of the home show?
The painting.
The painting?
Yeah.
And yours?
Candy. I got a lot of candy.
This is kind of like early trick-or-treating.
She got a $50
Gift card.
To where?
from Lowe's.
Lowe's.
She spun one of those things and it landed on $50 and she got the $50.
So what are you going to buy with that $50?
I don't know.
Well, she made a deal with that.
Okay.
I kept the car and I gave her $50.
All right, that's a good deal. All right. Absolutely. Well, thank you for joining us. Is there anything else that you want to tell our viewers?
No, come. You need to come. If you are looking for something new to your house, for your business, everything, you need to come here.
You'll get good ideas. Good ideas. It was worth the time and the money of the admission.
Plus, even kids have fun here.
Things from everywhere, from Japan, from different areas,
Yeah, the
companies
Japanese
from
toilet,
Italy, everything. Yeah, yeah.
Are you going to have a sensor toilet in your home?
I'm actually thinking about it.
If you didn't come out here this year, I certainly suggest you come out here next year and make sure you take time to really walk about the entire facility so you can get an appreciation for all the products and services that they have out there to help you improve your home.
All right, so I won't take up much of your time because you have a lot to see. Yeah, exactly. And there's about 150,000 square feet to go walk, so get going. Thank you. Thank you. Will do. Thank you. So you heard it here, from attendees to exhibitors, from first-timers to many-timers. Here at the Home Design and Remodeling Show, you will meet anyone from homeowners, designers, builders, architects, and everything beyond. Homeowners experience the top products, the latest products, and everything that you should want or could want for your home. So come and visit us at the next Home Design and Remodeling Show in Miami, Fort Lauderdale, or Palm Beach. Until next time, visit us at homeshows.com or check us out on Instagram, Facebook, or all social media platforms at FL Home Shows. Can't wait to see you next time.